So hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to make wall heart shape wall hanging. So let's start. You need first strips, uh, 5 strips of any color you want, 5 strips, and other any color of 6 strips, this one, and 5 strips this one. So you have to take this, and so you have to take this. After you have taken this, take one strip and build it, means take it like this. It should form a heart shape. Wait a minute, it should form a heart shape, and in this will be equal. Okay, wait a minute, and this should be equal. So see how I am doing. See, now you can see this is equal, and we have to staple this. So now you can see, and here we have to fold, so it will form a heart shape. So you have to take a stapler and staple this. See how I am stapling. Wait a minute, it should be equal. Wait a minute. So you can see now, staple here. Yes, so this is stapled, as you can see. See, it is stapled and fold downwards. It's like this. So as you can see, it has formed a heart shape. You can see how nice it is formed a heart shape. So you have to make all of these strips like this only, heart shapes. So let's do it. So guys, as you can see, I have made all of the hearts. So you have to make like this only, and you will lastly get this one strip. So these are 1 2 3 4 5, and 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, all are 5 guys, as you can see. So now guys, I will show you how to arrange it. So I will take first one, then take this. We have to arrange it in a circle. So wait a minute, now take this pink, here take this pink and put it here. Again purple, put it here, and again pink, put it here, and lastly what now lastly what to take? No, lastly we have to take like this pink guys. So as you can see, the circle is formed like this, but 2 hearts are remaining, so we can put them. Wait a minute, I will show you. So put one here and put the another here, and do it equal. So as I think the circle is formed, as you can see the circle is formed. So guys, as you can see, I am using this jute thread to hang. You can use, so I am using Fevicol. See, Fevicol to stick it near these 3 hearts, as you can see. Near these 3 hearts here, I am going to staple it, and here stick it, means. So guys, as you can see, I have stick this rope to in middle. So first take a stapler, and then I am going to staple it in a perfect circle like this only. So wait a minute. So you can see I have stapled it. So I have to staple this all around, but neatly I have to staple it so it will form like a circle. uh, it should form like a circle. In that way I have to staple. So I think this will form the perfect circle. uh, yes, so I will staple it. So guys, as you can see, it is formed like a circle. I think not a perfect, but it is formed, and I have stapled all around, so it will now hang. So it is ready. Your heart shape wall hanging is ready.